Hi everyone, Jason here, and today I'm excited to share my thoughts on a product I've been using recently. Is the Chemical Guys Leather Cleaner and Leather Conditioner Kit, and I can't wait to tell you all about it. So let's start with an overview of these two products. This is the Chemical Guys Leather Cleaner and Conditioner Kit. This is a auto care product that gives you a 1-2 punch, okay, the cleaner and conditioner in two separate bottles. I've been using these for the past few months for both of my cars, and it has improved how I kind of clean my car and how the seat feels. Let me show you how I use it and start with the leather cleaner. This is a pH balance cleaner that's going to remove a lot of dirt and contaminants deep within the material, and does a great job cleaning both natural and synthetic leather. So if you have any loose dirt in your car, vacuum it first. This way you won't rub the dirt all over your seat and into the pores of the seat. After the cleaner dries, the next step here is to apply the leather conditioner. That will give you a very nice soft touch. Okay, you can use a towel or a sponge. If your car is parked outside a lot, it's gonna protect and from the UV rays as well. Rub it into the leather and this will bond immediately. Okay, spread it as evenly as possible. I like to let it sit there and dry. So if you're looking for a kind of an all-in-one product like a shampoo and conditioner in one bottle, this might not be the best product for you. One of the things I do love about this is that it's not an all-in-one solution. It's a cleaner and conditioner. Each of these bottles has a function and serves a purpose. Okay, another great thing that you can use this for is to clean and protect the leather in your home, including leather seats, couches, shoes, and even jackets. Okay, so this 2-pack works great for all of my natural and synthetic leather, and it's definitely worth considering if you don't mind spending the time to clean and condition.